Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and guess where I've been? I know it's been forever, but I found a few things, thought you'd like it, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it is getting near Easter, so that is when I start collecting some of the little basket goodies for my grandson, and these are marshmallow flavored lollipop rings. They love the lollipop rings, and I just love Peeps, so I thought that would be a cool little tasty treat for them. Also, coming up on St. Patrick's Day, look at how cute this little guy is. He would be perfect on a little tiered tray. Now he is plastic, and then he's got like not tin foil, what's that called? This stuff wrapped around him, but he's a cutie. I also picked up one of these. This is a flower table decor, and it holds pictures. So I had found one before, and it looks like this, and it's got two little things on the back to hold pictures or anything, notes or anything like that. So when I saw this one, I knew I had to grab it as well. I have a grandson who loves Tootsie Rolls, and I have never seen Tootsie Roll eggs before, but there they are. They're individually wrapped as well, so perfect for stuffing eggs. These are for my tiered tray. Who doesn't love the crispy chocolate? So I did grab a couple of those to go into my tiered tray. I have a little train and usually put the candy of the day or the month in there. I've got this little guy. It's a I Am Very Busy tabletop light. It changes color, and I'm thinking, do I use it as is, or is there something I can DIY it and change that out? We will see in a future video. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I picked up a couple of these pump spray bottles for, because I had this spray bottle for my alcohol, but as you can tell, the pumper part is gone. It broke off in a fall. I picked up a couple of these little chocolates. I would make these into some nice little treats, and even though they're completely decorated already, I wanted to do a little bit more decorating on that. This is new to me. I have these all over the place, and I love them. They are for mixing resin, and so you can mix different colors in there, pour it out, and then these is what you scrape it out with. So I thought I would pick that up. That is a great little deal. I found these. I went with a friend, a bunch of friends. We get together, as you know, when we do card swaps. And this one was a make and take where we got together and made cards. And she had her stuff in these little tiny bags. They are little half cup, quarter cup, and 1 cup bags. And we all fell in love with them, asked her where she got them. She said Dollar Tree, and that is why we even went to the Dollar Tree to find these. So I was so glad to find those. I also picked up a micro USB cable because I happen to have headphones all over the place, just laying around. I've got these, I've got some waterproof ones for swimming, and they all use these little micro USBs. And of course, if you're like me, you lose them, or they get taken to your car, and one of the grandbabies takes them. So I thought I'd pick that one up. It's got a little donut on it. So cute. We've got the next tray, or bag, I'm sorry. But it looks like it's a whole tray. Let's see here. We've got these little things. I stuck them. Do you remember these? You put them in your on your tongue, and they dissolve, and they're sugar-free, and they are breath strips, so they freshen your breath. You just pop one out, stick it on your tongue, and you're good to go. And oh my gosh, I think these were around in the 80s, but I loved them, and so I thought I better give these a try. I found these little wreaths. I loved them. They can be taken apart and used in DIYs. They can be used as is. So I got the black, the brown, and this white one. And these two beads are the same, and then these are round beads. So I grabbed those. This is so cute. It says Home Sweet Home on it. It's got a little heart. And yes, Valentine's Day is over, but hearts are year-round for me. I love love. I love love. And I love hearts. So I just thought it was adorable. And it's just a little sign there. Same here. We've got this little faith, hope, and love sign. Super cute. It looks like, it doesn't look like there's any glass in there. Nope. It is just a sign. This is a great frame as well. We've got another Home Sweet Home. Very cute, with some greenery attached to it. And I just think that is adorable. This says Farm to Table, fresh, homegrown, local. And I am just in love with the way these hang over the top like that. And then finally for Easter, this one says Easter Bunny, stop here. And I think that is so cute. I see that there is a tail missing, but that is okay. So I will probably take off a tail here and just fix it. So no worries. All right, I hope you guys liked the little haul here. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Again, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Bye.